Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix GCash app authentication failed problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So if you're having trouble with GCash app authentication, you can try various options. First, the reasons that it can happen is because of the verification error, because of the device security, because of the network connection and your signal, and can sometimes also happen because it is not recognizing your face security probably. So the first thing you can do is you can simply restart the verification process. If you didn't submit the required documents within 10 days, you can restart the verification process by going on your profile in the GCash app and tapping verify now. That should help it. Right, and the next is simply check your device security. If you're having trouble logging in, your device might be detected as unsafe or modified. You can try and going to your phone settings and disable the unknown sources app or untrusted sources setting. Next up is checking your network connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data or connecting to a different Wi-Fi connection if it doesn't work out. Next up is checking your signal. If you didn't receive your OTP or 6-digit authentication code, you might have a weak signal. You can try tapping resend or request a new one while signing in or trying to signing in. Now, if you have forgot your GCash MPIN, you can recover by following. And the next thing is if you cannot access it because you have forgot the GCash MPIN, then you can simply open up the app, tap on forgot MPIN and tap send code and enter the 6-digit OTP sent via SMS on your number, and then take a selfie and enter your new MPIN, and that should help as well. These are the options and methods. Make sure to try them all and you're good to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.